Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be telling you guys how to make your video come from this to this. So pay attention while I teach you. So before I continue, if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And then before you do this, I need to give you these few tips before you can be able to do this. Please, while recording your video, ensure you have direct light. Okay, like me now, I'm recording this video staying close to my window. I have natural light. If you don't have natural light, or probably when you want to record your video it's actually late, you can use your ring light quite all right. Okay, so what I just want to let you know is you need at least a little bit of reflection of light. It's going to help in your video. So I'm done with the talking. Let's dive to the video. There's someone like me that loves shortcuts. Nobody like to go through the long way. If you're someone like me that loves shortcut, there's two ways I'm going to teach you on this in this video how to make your background blurry. There are two ways. Okay, I'm going to teach you one with CapCut and I'm going to teach you one with Snapchat. Okay, I think I'm going to teach you three: with CapCut, with TikTok, and also with Snapchat, whichever one. But if you are making long video, well, just whichever one that worked for you. So I'm going to teach you how to make your. So guys, first thing first, you go here, open your TikTok. So this is how my TikTok is. Can you take note of the background? So first of all, we tap here, go to your search button, search for blur background. There are different types. Okay, I have to mute here because of copyright music. And so if you like this particular portrait, you can work with this. Let me show you more effect you can do. So here you can go portrait. So again, I have to mute because of copyright. So look at this effect. If you know you're someone that don't want stress, you don't like to do too much, you can just go straight to TikTok and use any of this effect. There are a lot of portrait effect and also blur effect that you can use, and I also like this one. I like the effect it's giving to me at the back. So we are done with TikTok and we are done with Snapchat. So the next one I'll be teaching you now is how to create a blur background using CapCut. Okay, so if anyone that you find comfortable, just use it. Here is a video of me recording a video on my TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Okay, bye. Mwah. It was really helpful to you, and if you really like this video, I want to do a test to know the people that always watch my video from the beginning to the end. So if you watch to this point, just comment thank you. Yeah, just comment thank you. I just want to know if people really watch my video from the beginning to the end. And please in commenting, you actually help me by encouraging me to do more tutorials like this. Okay, mwah. See you in my next video. What to do is run